So you want to try the Google Banana model for image generation tool, but you don't know how to access this. So in this video I'm going to show you two different method how you can use the Google Banana image generation model in your PC for completely free. So first step is to use it inside Gemini. So if you have the basic, not the pro version, if you have the basic version, you can also use the Gemini Banner version, but if you have the pro version, you can generate unlimited images. So let me show you how you can enable this Google Banana image generation model inside Gemini. So we are on the Gemini app. From here you just need to change the model. So basically what model you will have this option. You can see we have to use this one first, all around help. This one is for Gemini, and if you have the pro account, just go, you can see there is two model, one is for 2.5 pro and one is 2.5 flash. So we need to use the flash model. Inside this we will have the Google Gemini version. So if I go and let me show an example. So as you can see, I tried it one example with this, with the product modeling. You can see we have the model and we have the design, and we have the perfect image generated with this tool. So this is the model that wearing the same dress with the exact, not anything changed. So this image generation is using the Google Banana image generation model. So to make sure you just use this model 2.5 flash, otherwise it will not work. So let me show you another example. So if I just select this one, you can see I tried to make it with this model 2.5 pro, it didn't work. So this is one model, one way you can use this Google Banana. There is another free model that I'm going to show you. So another model is LM Arena. LM Arena is a free research based tool where you can just rank AI models. So let me show you how you can use it, the Google Banana inside the LM Arena for free. So just go to this address LM Arena. You can create an account or you can just open as it. Then you just need to click on this image generate image model. Then from here just click on upload image, and let me upload this same image, this one. And let's say I'm just going to use the same photo from here. So I'm just maybe I can choose another photo from here, or just use this one, the same one. Okay, so now make the man wearing the kurta, and then click on next. So this tool is a little bit slow, but it will give you two different options to choose from. Basically what this tool do, they try to rank which one is better or not. But in this show we can also get our images. Let me wait for a few seconds, and then we'll choose the image that show here. So as you can see, they give us two different models. Now we can choose which one is better, left or right. So I'll just click on right one. So once you click on the vote for a image, then you can see the name of the tools. So they sometime maybe just give verification that you are not a robot. So as you can see, this is Gemini 2.5 Plus, and you can see the name Nano Banana. So this is the Nano Banana tool, and you can see the image is completely perfect and every detail of the image is here. So this way you can use Nano Banana inside the Gemini and LM Arena completely free. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I make many videos on AI models and AI photography. So please subscribe, and I will see you guys on next video.